I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a clear video intent and audience. This drives every SEO choice. Once you have that intent, map 5 to 10 keywords including one primary and several long-tail phrases. Use those keywords to draft a title and a 2-3 sentence description that naturally includes them. Make sure to note viewer intent. Are they learning, comparing, or buying? Also create a thumbnail plan tied to your primary keyword, because click-through rate early on influences ranking. Now you move into execution. Write a title that places the primary keyword near the front and stays within 50 to 70 characters. Once done, produce a 200+ word description that naturally repeats keyword variations, includes timestamps and calls to action. Also add 8 to 12 relevant tags, pick the correct category, and upload chapters for better watch time. Make sure to enable subtitles and upload an SEO-friendly thumbnail file named with the keyword. These details you finish by promoting and measuring. Schedule the launch, add the video to relevant playlists, and share it to targeted communities and your channels. Once live, monitor CTR, average view duration, and retention closely for the first 48 to 72 hours because early signals matter most. If performance lags, change one element at a time. Start with thumbnail and title, then refine description and tags while tracking impact. Remember to repurpose clips and update cards. Continuous iteration wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.